The time that my journey takes is long, and the way of it is long. I came out on the chariot at the first gleam of light, and I pursued my voyage through the wildernesses of worlds, leaving my track on many a star and planet. It is the most distant course that comes nearest to thyself, and that training is the most intricate, which leads to the utter simplicity of a tune. The traveler has to knock at every alien door to come to his own, and one has to wander through all the outer worlds to reach the innermost shrine at the end. My eyes strayed far and wide before I shut them and said, "Here art thou." The question and cry, "Oh, where?" melt into tears of 1,000 streams and deluge the world with the flood of the assurance, "I am." That was a song offering by Rabindranath Tagore from his book Gitanjali, which helped him to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. This same poem is analyzed by Roberto Assagioli in one of the 3 articles he wrote about Tagore in the 1920s. I'm Catherine Ann Lombard, and I hope you can join me as we too explore Tagore's poetry in my upcoming webinar for the Psychosynthesis Trust London, The Eternal Stranger Calls, The Spiritual Philosophies of Rabindranath Tagore and Roberto Assagioli. Assagioli and Tagore met in Rome in 1926. Assagioli refers to Tagore as an example of someone who has completed the process of psychosynthesis. He also notes that Dante's Divina Commedia and Tagore's writings are both testimonies of superconscious exploration. Together, we will explore Tagore's writings, specifically those that Assagioli wrote about in his published articles. I will also briefly recount their meeting in Rome and compare their spiritual philosophies. This event promises to be inspiring and uplifting, and I welcome anyone who enjoys discovering the transpersonal through world literature. Thank you for your kind attention, and I look forward to seeing you soon.